This is very stylish. In a vegan kind of world, I'm so proud of my curls. Very stylish. I hope you can vibe with y'all. This is my third attempt at this beetle tutorial, so we gonna get it right this time. We gonna take our time. We gonna get it right, and my dog is gonna leave me alone. Go on, play. So I did this eye already, so I'm gonna show you how I did this. So the beetle had like a halo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like draw an outline of a halo. Just go as clear as I can, making it as even as possible. Okay. I'll blend later. But for now, we're just going right in to this look. I tried to use black and just black wasn't working for me, so I'm gonna be real delicate with this because I want it to be beautiful. So yeah. Okay, so up next we're gonna use our greed color, and I'm just gonna go just like I did before. You didn't see it, but I'm doing it in my head. Just so I'm gonna take this burlesque. It's like this small little thing here, and that is my finishing touch for the look. And there you have it. All right, so the eyes are done. They look like I want them to look. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. Okay, moving on to the rest of the face, y'all. FENTY Suede in the light parts where it hits, you know, the light. Yep, all of here. Okay. I'm gonna use my Can't Stop, Won't Stop Rockefeller Records. I broke it, so I'm just gonna go like this because it's broke. Y'all can check out my review of it, but I think this is perfect for the look. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and be cute and stuff. Now I'm gonna take my Beauty Bakery setting flour, cake flour, and just gonna go under the eye. Since we already using FENTY, we might as well just go for the espresso. So I'm just gonna go in. Sometimes I warm it up, sometimes I don't. This time I did not warm it up. I'm about to warm it up, Chris. I'm about to warm it up, Creesh. I'm about to. All right, just gonna dust this bad boy off. I'm gonna take my Supernova shadow in Mothership from ColourPop, and I'm just gonna use that as my under eye. See how like that pops? And to set it off, I'm gonna put this radioactive, this is the whole palette I'm using, y'all. Put this radioactive in my boom, like that. In my boom, like that. Up next, we have our cinnamon highlight, which, you know, I love. I just go in, you know, go in where it needs to go in. Last but not least, we're gonna take this Bittersweet, put it in the center of the lip, like I learned from Nambo. and others. And then we're going to use our Enlightened Lip Gloss by Pacifica in Opal. Has a nice iridescent glow. Isn't that cute? Mm-hmm. Just say yes, like my trainers. I'm gonna spray this down. So this is the final look. I love it, okay? Close the eyes. It's clean, it's beautiful, it's clean, y'all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. This is my Beetle colorful nature look. Yeah. Yo, she wouldn't leave me alone, so she's in the video. She's been up under me the whole day. I took her outside for 2 hours, okay? So I got outside for 2 hours. She just been watching me. You want some lip gloss too? You want some lip gloss? You want some? No, no, no. Give us a like, please. Give us a like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't look at my hands. It looks like a watercolor palette, but anyway. Yeah.